Welcome back, everybody. You're all back in the room. Fantastic, fantastic. Okay. Roll those cameras. So we're off to Coleg Menai now with Resurrection, a group of lads with many different musical tastes who come together to create a truly unique metal listening experience. They played here before. They played here last year. They did all covers, but this year they're going to do 2 originals and a cover as well. So let's hear it for Resurrection!
Thank you. Okay. I think everything's been said. It's about the choices you make, what you decide to take, using the unknown. What's on your grave? Now taking inspiration from the people around you. Now look at how they found you. Stuck in a trap, stop shaking your head. You blew your only chance. Are you ready? Come on, you can do better than that. Are you ready? We're not done yet. Still got a bit of this song left. Look at where it got you, since you can pull it out. You're sick, dude, only in the bed with your head on your head, bitch, you a force food. Thank you very much.
next song we have is also an original, and we hope you like it. It's out on Spotify, and so is that last song. You can find us under Resurrection, but also Resurrection MP3 on TikTok and Instagram. Yeah. Right, okay. This next song's called Confide.
Two-faced sugar, not even a good looking. You can't understand it, you're motion. You I waited better facts, hypocrite, I'm over it. This is ways finally bit you on the back. No, wait, when they're afraid you have betrayed you until they should see you walk away. And as you lay there black, you disabled stupid short. If I was you, I would watch your back. What the hell were you thinking? You only thought you could comprehend is shrinking. Tiny little beggar and you'll see. When I say that I'm doing all this, I mean it. I think is I'm about to snap. Don't say another word, cause we know you're full of that. Make the be the poor burger that raised you, the one that just don't even care about you. You can't be overestimating your potential.
Thank you very much. This next song is about anger, pretty much. And it's also a cover. We thought we'd play two songs for you that you won't know, so we thought we'd at least treat you to one. Hopefully you'll know it. This one's called Killing in the Name of by Rage Against the Machine. Come on, let me hear you! Do we all know it? Do we? All right. Come on, I want to hear you go crazy, come on! For those that work forces, while the neighbors are crossing. Killing in the name of. Now you do what they told you. Oh, you know I'm not gonna sing this part. Come on. just has been absolutely surreal. There's one last thing that I want to say. Recently, we've heard about one of our friends. There's been an accident, and I just want all of you here to know that there's always someone out there who will listen to you. Never hold anything in and just bottle it all up inside. It's no good for you, honestly. Talk to somebody, please. I urge you. Thank you.
Resurrection. If you're looking for redemption, I think you found it, boys. Okay, from Coleg Menai. I mean, how do you judge a competition with such different varieties of music on? So there are different criteria. It's called a competition, but it's not. It's a chance to show you music, to meet people. The criteria that the judges have got: musicality, technical arrangement, stagecraft, awareness, ensemble skills, arrangement, market awareness, and originality. Your market awareness, Resurrection and Resurrection MP3 for TikTok? Fantastic. And Instagram. Okay. There's a lot of metalheads in here today, aren't there? Let's go to the judges. Who's got the microphone?
Yo.
Sam's going to start. Your reaction, please, Sam.
Well done, guys. Nice to see you back, and you've definitely improved since last year, and it was really, really tight. I really enjoyed the original songs are cool, banging riffs, nice solos. You really feel like a band, and you've got a cool stage presence and all that. So keep on going, guys, nailing it.
Fantastic, thanks very much. To Brooke. Is it to Brooke next? Brooke next, thank you.
Cool. All right, lads, I got to say, wow. I think everyone was sitting down, but they wanted to stand up. If there was a dance floor, they would have been up banging their heads. So well done to you. Really, really good energy, great stage presence, and obviously good crowd interaction as well.
On to Simon Kilshaw.
Awesome job, guys. Really strong musicianship from all four of you, evident all the way through. You're clearly aware of your target audience. You know what people want, and you definitely delivered that. You gave this audience what they wanted. You saw this place bouncing. You really know how to fill a room. This venue was full with your sound. You know, your spectrum is full. It's really great to hear. And it's not easy to bring that out in a vocal track as well in this kind of scenario, but it definitely shone through. So confident. I think you're very on top of your songs. And I love the cover because it's a song from my youth. Nice to hear it. Good twist. Nice job.